I mean, is it dangerous to own tech here, Liz Young? I mean, NVIDIA down 8% in the last week. They've got earnings in another day. Meta down 8.5%, Steph.
Yep.
Alphabet down 6%. Microsoft down 5%. Amazon down 7%. Apple had a tough day yesterday. That stock right now, as we pull it up right here, which I typed it incorrectly, but I will do it right this time, is now at 167. So it was like, what, 174? Liz, can you own tech right here and now, or now is it dangerous again?
If your time horizon is 6 months or less, I think it's dangerous because the Fed is going to continue hiking through the end of this year. Tightening is going to continue happening through the end of this year. If you want to get in as an entry point in tech right now while it's under pressure and then hold it for 2 to 5 years, I think it's probably okay, but it's really dependent on that. And one other point I would make is that even people out there that are bullish through the end of the year are not completely unhinged, right? Some of the highest price targets on the street are about 4,800. That would give us less than a 1% annual return. And all it requires is another 15% from here. And if inflation keeps coming down and we get a rally after midterms, I think that's pretty reasonable as an expectation. We'd get to the end of the year with maybe up 1%. I think we'd all be happy with that.
I think anything close to the flat line would be viewed as a massive win. Michael Farr, last word about tech, and then I got to take a break.
You know, I think that we've watched tech lead this market and the big market cycles all the way through. On the downside, the NASDAQ got killed and was really, a lot of people got hurt. Those folks in the speculative tech names really got decimated. Some of these tech funds hugely, just got ruined, right? So they bounced back hard. Probably better to find an exit point here as the Fed continues to persist with what they're doing. Longer term, if you're going to own tech, and I do, I'm owning those companies with solid balance sheets that are increasing earnings, that have a good cash flow. These are companies that you stay the storms and you benefit over the long term. So I agree with Liz. Short term, it's going to be dicey. If you're a long-term holder, there's some great companies there. You could probably get them at better prices here in the next couple months.